I started it again.
Damn thing's flapping.
Got it? You want me to open that?
Not very big. Not their holes at the top are really big. I would think they'd be a lot smaller. I'd like to see it start doing something here before long. Come on. I'm not sure if there's a fire extinguisher in this house or not, you know? Have you seen one?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I had one in the trailer.
Glass of water.
I always went up when I didn't want it to. Cooking, you know, and go off if you had.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't say how long it takes to heat up. I am not impressed so far. The coals at the top are 3/8 of an inch hexagonal. Did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
They're really big. Not totally unlike anything I've ever seen. Usually they're really small holes. Can you see it from there?
Yeah.
They're like 3/8. Probably 7/16, I think. I don't see any glue gas. Of course, we don't have any real fuel in it.
Is the ring supposed to be recessed, or what happens if you turn the ring over? Is it that's what it's supposed to go through? I just wonder if that makes a difference.
I don't know if I can do that. So you got to thinking about these things without, you know, intent, or you know, where it's safe. You know, we should put off a decent amount of heat, but it's not putting off any heat here. It would just be heat from the flame, with all you would be get out of it. It's jetting on that side. I'm going to turn around to see if you can get up where you can see that. See, it's jetting flames out of the holes. It's supposed to be jetting flames out of the holes. Can you get